Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Cardano Ada very important update. Keep watch this video till the end friends, and if you are a new on my channel, so please click the subscribe button, like this video for more this kind of news and updates. Thank you so much for subscribing ABS Tech channel. Let's move on and let's start the video friends. First of all, we talk about the currently at this time price of the Cardano. 1.9 USD dollar is the current price of the Cardano, and on the other hand, if you look the price change occur in the Cardano, so the last 1 hour price change as negative, the last 20 price change is positive, and last 1 week price change again positive friends. So that's mean that the previous time of the Cardano is positive friends. I mean that the Cardano price going up or down day by day, hour by hour, and as you can see here, they are going to hit a 2 USD dollar friends. So 1.9 USD dollar, only 1% needed for a 2 USD dollar friends. So what's going in this time? Let's see the price chart for more details and for better understanding friends. Oh my god, at the last day it took a very highly jump, unbelievable jump occurring in Cardano in the last 20. I'm sure that the Cardano make you millionaire in this month friends, because they are going, as you can see here, 1.94 USD dollar is the highest price of the Cardano friends. And I'm sure that very soon they are going to hit a 2 USD dollar friends, and 1 day and 2 days. I think tomorrow they can goes to hit a 2 USD dollar once again friends. So what's your prediction? I'm sure 100% that they are going to hit a 2 USD dollar friends. On the other hand, if you look the price changes occur in the Cardano, so positive 13.14% positive chances occur in Cardano. So absolutely the Cardano move as very good, and I really like this kind of change. A very nice changes occur in Cardano and the previous last 1 day friends. Absolutely I really like it. So what's your opinion about this for the jump of the Cardano? Can this jump is continue for a long time or not? Please tell me in the comment box, and also tell me in the comment box your prediction about the Cardano or friends. My prediction is 100% so sure. I'm 100% sure that they can goes to hit a 2 USD dollar friends tomorrow. So what's your prediction? Tell me in the comment box, and kindly friends, don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.